Choosing the wrong loan can kill your deal before it even starts. If you're looking for a fixer-upper, one of the biggest mistakes is choosing the wrong loan before you understand your deal. VA Renovation and FHA 203k can both get you into a fixer-upper, but they're not interchangeable. VA Renovation is VA backed and it's VA purchase plus your renovation cost. FHA is very similar in that it's FHA backed and it includes your renovation costs. And there's really no fluff there. It's a one size fits all program. VA is for veteran, active duty, and surviving spouses, and FHA is for anyone that's primary occupancy. Down payment on VA is usually 0% if you have full entitlement, and for FHA, typically it's 3.5% for your down payment. It also has a lot more property flexibility with what you can do in repairs. Both allow renovations, but the structure does matter. VA wins when it's a veteran borrower and they're looking to do cosmetic or low loan limit repairs, and they're trying to preserve cash, which means 0% down. It usually has a clean structure, which means we're not typically looking for structural improvements or square footage improvements, although there are exceptions. FHA 203k wins when we have a non-veteran buyer. We have somebody with a lower credit score, even though higher credit scores are still good for this program. And it has more flexible underwriting, which means higher debt to income ratios are acceptable. Also, this is a great program if you have a more complex renovation that'll take longer for the repairs to be complete, or you're doing structural or square footage improvements. It's also a really great program for first-time home buyers that are trying to leverage into the market, trying to find an imperfect house so they can leverage into a home where they may be forced out of the home buying market. The loan doesn't come first, though, the deal does. So what we really need to look at is your property conditions. So having a loan officer that can look over your property online with pictures, with your agent, or home inspections can be really helpful. And analyzing your scope of work to analyze what's going to be done on the home to make sure which program is selected for your acuity. It also has to do with the borrower profile. We have to look at your debt to income ratio, your credit score, and veteran, non-veteran, and even your timeline expectations. So if you don't plan to move into the home, if you need to abate your payments, there's specific loans that can help you with those specific hurdles. The biggest mistakes you can make are these 5 things. Choosing a loan before analyzing your property, assuming all lenders handle these the same, because there's not a lot of loan officers that actually specialize in this, or companies that allow specialization processes to help you through the process. You can also underestimate your renovation scope of work, and that's why it's really great to work with somebody that can look at your scope of work, make sure that all the repairs are given mention to, and the appraiser can assign a value for future value on these repairs. It can also inhibit you from closing on time with working with the wrong contractor. They do have to adhere to our draw schedule, and they do have to have licenses and insurance. We need to validate that up front for you, so we make sure we're choosing the right contractor, the right scope of work before we order the appraisal. And then I also see this quite a bit, and this is usually where we find folks that are looking for a renovation loan. They found a property in less than perfect condition, and they're trying to cram this into a regular purchase, and they found out that they couldn't close it because of the property condition, and then we have to resolution that. So if you have property conditions, unless you've pre-negotiated those repairs prior to closing, you'll probably find yourself with a problem, and that's where we can come in and help. If you're trying to figure out which direction makes sense for you, that's exactly what I help with every day. And we'd be happy to help you land it at Planet. Give us a call and we'll show you a better way home.